and welcome back to another episode of Tech from Home. I'm Rudy and I work at the McAllen Public Library. Today I'll go over another resource we have in our eBranch under the Learn tab, and it is our TexShare Databases. All types of journals and databases at your fingertips. So this is what we see when we enter TexShare Databases. And we'll go ahead and click the first link here, Credo Complete Core Collection. And let's see what we have here. You'll need to type in McAllen Public Library, and it does require an access code, so you can always give us a call and we'll provide you the access code. So this is what we see when we enter Credo. We have all types of subjects, different topics. In this case, I'll go ahead and look through social media, since we're all on social media nowadays, whether we like it or not. Here's what we see under the social media tab. We see all kinds of articles, videos, images, even a web of other related searches you can do. All different types of articles. It tells you the word count. We'll go ahead and click down here, social media and activism, from an encyclopedia of digital communication and society. We have different keywords up top. We got an abstract you can read through, and here's our article. Towards the very bottom, it gives us, of course, our references, and it gives us different formats of citations as well. Whichever one your professor is requesting, it will have it for you to copy paste, and it's great. So now we'll go back to TexShare Databases. We'll see what's next here. We'll try the Gale in context opposing viewpoints. So to access any Gale databases through our eBranch, you will need a valid library card. So give us a call if you need to set up your library card. So we'll scroll down here and find a topic that we can research. So opposing viewpoints, and it gives us exactly that. It gives us one topic and it gives us viewpoints from both sides. So it gives us pros and cons. Up top, it gives us our overview of what facial recognition technology is. And throughout the page, we'll see all different types of viewpoints. Those are for facial recognition technology and against it. We have infographics, statistics, and every article has a rating. So right after the article link, you'll see a rating, and those are those colored boxes. The orange boxes with 5 dots in them, those are the best. Second best would be the purple with the 4 white dots. So we'll come back to TexShare Databases. Next one we'll go through is most popular, our more popular databases that we use here at the library. And it's Gale legal forms. Again, you do need a valid library card to access these free legal forms. If you need to give us a call to set up your library card, feel free. So in this case, I'll go through and look at the last will and testament legal forms that they have here. And I'll just click the first one, last will and testament package. So this package, it tells us what's in it: estate planning questionnaire and worksheets, a document locator and personal information package, including burial information form. So I can download those onto Microsoft Word and edit them, then print them later. And then I can always adjust what kind of forms it is by answering these questions down here below. But yeah, you can download straight to Microsoft Word. If I click through them, it gives me a quick description of what it entails. The last one I'll go through is the Chilton Library. Chilton Library is very popular among patrons who are working on automobiles, whether a car, a truck, a van, ATV. Chilton will most likely have what you need. They have diagrams of wiring, they have engine diagrams, AC diagrams, step-by-step instructions. In this case, I'm searching a 2020 Dodge Grand Caravan, so not a lot of instructions here. It just gives me a bulletin that you can print out and take it to your dealership if you need it. So that's Chilton. You can search by year, model, and make of your automobile. Thank you for watching today's Tech from Home video. If you'd like to leave any comments below, that'd be appreciated. If you have any ideas for future Tech from Home videos, also drop them in the comments below. Appreciate you watching and have a good rest of your day.